Figma just launched Figma Slides, and one of the most important features here, if you're a full stack developer, is this collaboration feature. Multiple people working on the same slide and able to collaborate on the same whiteboard. If you're thinking about how to code this, it's using WebSockets. Here's how you do it. So what I've done here is created a file for a simple server using Express. What we do here is actually create the server using Express and create an application. We establish the port that we're going to expose the application on. Then I'm going to use the socket.io library to create my WebSocket. And there's three simple connections that we're going to do. Obviously that somebody's connected, that there is a broadcast of the drawing that is being created on the whiteboard, and then there's a disconnect event. So here I'm creating all those connections, and what happens here is a user connects to that WebSocket. The drawings are broadcast across all instances of that whiteboard in our client, and then you can also disconnect. And then I just turn on our server and then have some events running in the terminal. For my client, what I've done is just scaffold a simple React application. Here, I establish a connection to our local backend. I use useRef to establish the whiteboard or the canvas where all the drawings are going to be housed, and then a context to see where each of those strokes are located on the canvas. So here's handling for what the canvas looks like, what size it is, and then here's the location of the different drawing or different strokes I can have with my mouse. I also establish how you can do a mouse down action, a mouse up action, different actions to actually draw something on the canvas. And then what's happening is it's just creating different drawings on my socket so that if multiple people are looking at this client, they can see me drawing on it. And if they're drawing on it, I can also see back and forth. This is similar to what's happening within Figma Slides, or that collaboration component, where someone can make an edit here, but then they can see that edit somewhere else. And their team member can also make an edit, and they can see it on their client as well. So this is a very fundamental point of full stack web development, and WebSockets are important for this. I have two windows open here with my server and my front-end code running. So I'm going to show you that if I do something here, well, it also ends up right here. And so we can see that collaboration and how the WebSocket enables for me to do something on my end, and so it shows up on my teammate's computer as well.